Daniel Defoe author summary. Lifespan 1660-1731. Tarankan nationality, English writer, journalist, pamphleteer, and merchant. Tarankan significance, regarded as one of the founders of the English novel. Writing style, realistic prose, factual detail, autobiographical tone, moral reflection, and economic political commentary. Key works: Robinson Crusoe, 1719, adventure or survival novel. Moll Flanders, 1722, picaresque, crime, and moral redemption. A Journal of the Plague Year, 1722, fictionalized plague account. Colonel Jack, Roxana, both 1722-1724. Other contributions: prolific pamphleteer, wrote on politics, trade, religion. Notable features for exams: blends fiction with journalistic realism. Tarankan themes: survival, providence, morality, colonialism, individualism. Often discussed as precursor to realistic fiction and rise of the novel. Robinson Crusoe summary publication, 1719, full title, The Life and Strange Surprising Adventures of Robinson Crusoe, of York, Mariner. Narrative style, first-person fictional autobiography. Plot: 1. Departure or shipwreck, Robinson Crusoe, against his parents' wishes, pursues a life at sea. On one voyage, he is shipwrecked and stranded on a deserted island. Though survival or self-reliance, using salvaged supplies from the wreck, Crusoe builds shelter, grows crops, domesticates animals, and keeps a journal. His survival is marked by ingenuity and adaptation. Theme: providence or religion, Crusoe experiences loneliness and hardship, leading to spiritual awakening. He interprets his survival as divine providence. 4. Friday's rescue, he saves a native man from cannibals, names him Friday, and teaches him English and Christianity. They form a master-servant relationship, reflecting colonial attitudes of the era. 5. Escape or return, after over 28 years on the island, Crusoe helps quell a mutiny on an English ship and is taken back to England. Themes or UGC net angles. Tarankan individualism or capitalist ethic, Crusoe as an economic man. Tarankan colonialism or cultural superiority, civilizing Friday. Providence vs self-help, tension between divine will and personal effort. Realism in fiction, detailed accounts of daily life, trade, and survival. Tarankan Robinsonade. This novel established the castaway survival genre. Possible exam points. First major English novel to combine adventure with realistic detail. Inspired by the real-life story of Alexander Selkirk. Connection to rise of middle-class readership in 18th century England.